Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a restricted Facebook account. Don't worry, this happens to many people and there are steps you can take. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. If your account is restricted, you may see a message saying your account has been restricted or some features are limited. Now tap on the menu button or three line, scroll down and tap on setting and privacy. Next, tap on the account status. Here, Facebook will tell you why your account is restricted, what actions are limited, and how long the restriction lasts. Tap to see the details. Read the message carefully. They usually explain which post, comment, or action caused the restriction. Some restrictions are temporary and they will go away automatically after a few days. If you believe Facebook made a mistake, tap on request review or appeal if you see this option. Follow the steps on the screen, confirm your identity, submit the request, be polite and on. After submitting a review, you must wait for Facebook decision. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.